Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk to you guys, specifically the ones who are making excuses, specifically the ones who are saying they don't have a digital product to sell, they are having a hard time with creating their first ebook, and it's taking you a while to get your digital product business started. Today I wanted to give you an idea of what you can do while you are in the process of getting your actual ebook or your course started so that you can begin marketing and making sales. So if you are struggling with that, today I want to give you guys another option, another route that you can go ahead and begin generating sales from so that you can start making at least $1,000 extra each month. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just get right into it. Most of the time when people think of a digital product, they always think the only way to sell digital products is with a course or with selling ebooks. Those are the two popular things that most people do, as well as creating a membership. But I also want you to know that you can begin generating income by becoming a coach. Someone who's selling coaching calls where you are working with individuals one-on-one to help them get whatever goal it is that you are trying to help them accomplish. Or you can be someone who offers a group coaching session where maybe one time out of the week you get on a coaching call with maybe 10 individuals, or however you want to limit this class so that you can answer questions and you can help them accomplish their goal. Now, when it comes to selling this type of digital product, you're going to market this digital product the same way you would if you were someone who were selling an actual ebook or if you were selling a course. You want to give out valuable information. You want to help your audience know, hey, I went through this and this is the solution that I can offer you. So if I'm someone who is trying to work on managing my money and saving $10,000 for the upcoming year, and I've already did this in 2024, now I can start offering coaching calls where I'm helping someone else whose goal is to save $10,000 for the new year. I can help them with the solution by telling them, okay, you're gonna have to budget, you're gonna have to put back $50 every week, like whatever steps you took to accomplish reaching that $10,000 goal, you are going to give this to them, but instead of an ebook or a course, you're going to give it to them on a coaching call. So if you're trying to market this, what you're going to do is basically give out valuable information around saving money, budgeting. You want to give out things that's going to bring in your audience, your niche. And when you get those people who are interested in this type of content, you're going to then offer the coaching call. So if you do not have a course or if you do not have a ebook, what you're going to do is set up a stand store, because this is the easiest way to get started. You're going to get a stand store, get that 14-day free trial below if you have not already done so. And after the 14 days, it's only going to cost you $29 a month for the basic plan. So if this is the route that you are taking, this is all you would need. You would not have to do anything extra besides set up your stand store, and you're going to choose the option of the one-on-one coaching call. Okay, you guys, so as I was laying here editing my video, I had to come back on here and add that you will need a Zoom account in order for you to do your hosting so you can do your one-on-one. With Zoom, it is free, and you can also link your Zoom in the back end of your stand store. So within stand store, you're able to accept your payments for your one-on-one, and you're able to add the availability so that when they book you, it will show the exact dates that you have to offer and the timing. So when they book you, they will see your exact timing and they will see your dates that you have available for the booking. Now, when you get on Zoom do allow you to be on a call for 45 minutes free. But if you have to be on your coaching calls over 45 minutes, you will have to pay if you want to do this as a monthly subscription. So if you're just now getting on Zoom, you can sign up for this free subscription, or if you want to just go ahead and get that advanced plan, you can get that advanced plan as well, where you can pay either by monthly or you can pay for the entire year if you know that you will be doing coaching calls for the entire year. And I also wanted to include, even though you are doing coaching calls, you can also have it set up where your clients are able to get a one-on-one coaching call with you every month, or however you want to schedule this. Now, you can do your coaching calls where it is just a one-time thing, but most of the time people need assistance throughout the month, throughout the year. So you can come up with a plan where you guys can get on a coaching call one time out the month, or where you can set it up where you guys get on there maybe 2 times out of the month, 3 times, depending on how you want to do this. Just because you are offering coaching calls does not mean that you have to limit how you can set this up to make extra streams of income. This is how it will look when you are on Stan. You're gonna hit this one. And when you are setting this up within Stan, the most important thing you want to make sure you're doing is letting them know exactly what it is that you will offer them on this coaching call. So whatever your niche is, whoever your target audience is, you want to make sure that they know, hey, this is the problem and this is how I am going to provide the solution for you during this coaching call. Now, you guys, this is a no-brainer. This is the easiest and quickest way that you can begin generating money right now. I have done this, and when I first started selling digital products, this is one of the methods that I did use. And even when I got back into digital products at the beginning of this year, I also began offering my one-on-one coaching calls to help other women who were trying to become business owners. I helped them set up their digital product store, and I charged them $199 to do that one-on-one with me, and that was for an hour and a half. So I had people who paid me, and I'm gonna put it up here so that you can see. I have the screenshots and I have the receipts, because if you have not noticed by now, I always make sure I drop the receipts for you guys so that you can know that I am not new to this. I have been doing this and in business since 2017, and I know what I'm talking about. I have created multiple streams of income for myself, and digital products has been one of the easiest and most profitable businesses for me when it comes to generating passive income. So that's above right here where you can see that I did offer this, and you can see like I told you guys in a previous video, I used to use Facebook to do my marketing, and I used Facebook back then because Facebook was where I first started out with business. When I started doing hair and I became a full-time business owner in 2017, Facebook was my first platform, and that's where I gained all of my clientele, because the people who I needed to reach at that time was the people in my area. So Facebook is the easiest route to take for that. So because I was already known for being a business owner and someone who was generating income for myself in multiple businesses, it was the easiest way for me to generate sales and to get those digital products sold. Over the few years that I did sell digital products on Facebook, it was from me already being known in one industry and me just taking that customer service base into my digital product business. So with Facebook, it was a no-brainer. I was already known. I already had a clientele. I already had people who knew me from my credit repair business and had worked with me one-on-one from that. So it was easy for me to sell those $200 coaching calls with ease. But I no longer sell on Facebook because I want to make sure that I'm creating my business where my business can one day run without me having to promote on social media every day in order for me to drive traffic traffic to my digital product store. So I wanted you guys to know, no matter what your niche is, if you do not have a niche and you are just starting out with selling digital products, instead of trying to choose something that you feel like everyone is already selling, because I know at one time a lot of people were selling this bundle, which was the MRR bundle, where it was a $497 bundle. You do not have to just sell something that everybody is already selling. If you are trying to create a brand and you are trying to make this a business, the easiest and the most profitable way for you to become a business owner and to generate sales is going to be by using your experience or using your knowledge. So if you are someone, say for instance, if you are a mother of 5 and you know that every day it's a routine that you follow to make sure that you and your children are set up good, you can create content for single moms who are looking to create a routine for themselves. If you are someone who has experience at the bank and you are an accountant, you can help someone who's trying to manage their money. You can help someone who's trying to get on track. Like, no matter what your experience is, no matter what your story is, whatever you have overcame in life, or whatever it is that you have a lot of knowledge in, this is something you can help other people in. I can tell you guys from experience, the best thing that you could ever do is start a business around something you are passionate about, something that you have a lot of knowledge in, and something that you cannot get tired of. I can tell you this is not going to always be easy. You're going to wake up some days and you're not even going to want to do this. You're not going to want to post content, but you have to keep going. So you want to make sure that it's something that you like to do, and even if you do not make sales within the first week, within the first month, even in the first year, you want to be okay with still posting content, knowing that one day it's going to pay off, because this is not a get rich scheme. This is going to be a business, and you have to operate it like a business owner, knowing that it's going to pay off. But in order for you to be dedicated, in order for you to stay consistent, in order for you to put the work in, no matter on the days that you do not get a sale from selling your digital products, it has to be something that you want to talk about, something that you are good at, and something you want to help other people overcome or help them to gain knowledge in. You have to make sure that when you are doing this, in your mind you're going to think of one thing, and that's, I'm helping someone overcome an obstacle, or I'm helping someone get to where I am or where I used to be. Because the goal here is to just be one step ahead of whoever it is that you are selling to. So I just want you guys to know that this is the easiest way to get started. And if you need any assistance, if you need me to make any videos on how to sell other different digital products, make sure you let me know down in the description so that I can get those videos out to you guys. And if you are ready to start your digital product business, make sure you check out some of the helpful resources that I have down in the description of this video as well. Make sure you stick around and watch more videos so that you can go ahead and get your business started today. I'll talk to you guys back here on my next video. Bye.